Hello, my friend, and welcome to English Edge, the place where you can relax, learn, and grow your English, one simple step at a time. I'm really happy you're here. Today, I want to talk about something that can completely change the way you learn English. How to practice every single day, even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, and even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Many learners think they need to move to London or New York or Sydney to become fluent. But the truth is, you don't. You don't need a native speaker beside you. You don't need to study for hours. And you definitely don't need to wait for the perfect moment. What you do need are small habits. Habits that are simple. Habits that fit into real life. Habits that you can repeat every single day. And that is what today's episode is all about. So sit back, relax, breathe slowly, and let's begin. What is shadowing? Let's try a small practice together. I'll say a sentence, then you repeat it in your mind or out loud. I want to speak English more confidently. I listen to English every day. I'm improving step by step. Good. That's shadowing. Simple but incredibly effective. When you do it regularly, even for 5 minutes, your mouth and brain start working together. You begin to sound smoother, more natural, more confident. So, how can you practice English every day? Many learners tell me, I don't have time. I feel nervous when I speak. I want to improve, but I don't know where to start. And my answer is always the same. Start small. Start simple. Start today. Let me share 5 easy ways you can practice English every single day, no matter how busy you are. Tip 1. Listen to English daily. This is the most important habit. If you want to speak well, you must listen more. Not once a week, not only in class, but every day. Why? Because listening trains your ears. It teaches you rhythm, tone, and natural pronunciation. It helps you understand real English, not textbook English. You can listen while walking, while cooking, while cleaning, while exercising, while relaxing. It doesn't matter if you understand everything. Even 30–50% understanding is enough. Think of English as background music. Let the language live around you. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Once you're listening, the next step is speaking. Shadowing is like a shortcut to fluency. Listen to one line. Repeat it. Match the voice. Let's try 3 more. I won't stop learning. I keep going even when it's hard. Slow progress is still progress. Practice these every day. Your English will become faster, clearer, and more confident. Tip 3. Think in English. One thought at a time. This is one of the biggest changes you can make. Thinking in English feels difficult at first because your mind wants to translate. But translation slows you down. So start with simple thoughts. It's a morning. It's a new day. I'm sleepy. I need tea. When you go outside, the air is cold. The sky is blue. Throughout the day, I'm working. I'm tired. I want a break. They're small, but they train your brain to connect directly to English. Later, say them quietly out loud. It's like having a mini dialogue with yourself. Tip 4. Read aloud. Train your speaking muscles. Reading silently is good, but reading aloud is excellent. It helps your mouth remember the shapes and movements of English. Choose something short. A small story, a beginner article, a dialogue, a children's book. Read slowly, then faster, then with more expression. Imagine you're acting. Your pronunciation will improve. Your confidence will grow. It's like going to the gym. But for your voice, tip of 5. Use English in real life. This is very important. Don't just study English. Start to live with it. Here are easy ways. Change your phone to English. You see your phone all day. Let it teach you words. Naturally. Write a short diary. Just 3 sentences. Today was busy. I made lunch. I watched an English video. Simple, real, effective, record a 1-minute voice note. Talk about your day. Nobody needs to hear it. But you will hear how you sound, and you'll improve faster. Join an online English group chat. Write, share, ask questions. Make English something alive, not a school subject. Watch short videos and repeat. Try repeating the same 20-30-second clip. Copy the tone, speed, emotion. This is how you learn natural English. You don't need to move to another country. You don't need a teacher every day. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need small habits. Daily habits. Habits that fit into your life. Say good morning in English. Write your to-do list in English. Watch 5 minutes of English. Practice shadowing for 1 minute. Record your voice for 1 minute. These tiny steps build powerful confidence, and confidence leads to fluency. Thank you for listening today. Keep going, keep learning, and remember, English becomes easier when you live with it, not when you stress about it. I'll see you in the next episode.